is you're penduluming while you're tracing the hand path of the circle of the anti-spin. And I'm doing a 4-petal anti-spin so that you have an even number of back and forths. So if you wanted to mirror me, that would be your left hand doing the 4-petal anti-spin, and I'm doing overhand, so this is my right hand. And then, yes, and then your left hand simply does this pendulum situation. Good planes definitely help, and I would say the thing that helps me with this particular one is to focus on the two hands following each other. So if you make your anti-spin, in this case, I would say go for a wimpy anti-spin, don't do the biggest circles you can do. So instead of going as big as I could go, if you go smaller, I think it's easier to follow the hand path. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the hand with the pendulum, if you look at it from the side, the hand with the pendulum is behind the hand that's doing the 4-petal, following the same path, yes. I'm doing it left versus right, so I was doing a pendulum versus 4-petal, but I think you did it because you were mirroring me 4-petal versus pendulum because your left hand did the 4-petal, not the pendulum. I mean, you could do it either way, but you know how I have these naming conventions, which is why I'm being specific. I guess the key just in your own mind's eye is the hands are in line with each other the whole time through, and the hand path for the 4-petal isn't as big as you would normally make it. Size matters.